Well, hello there, friends. So today what we're doing is a sponsored video for Vivor's material cutting machine right here. I'm going to be putting it through its paces and we're going to see how this thing actually works. So I'm going to be demonstrating that a little bit later in the video. So right now, let's go ahead and get to the specifics of this tool. Well, what we have here is a good looking tool. Got these screenshots right off of their website. Okay, it says 5-speed cordless fabric cutter, precise and efficient cutting. Handle bulk cutting in one go, long-lasting wireless operation. 150 watts. Let's see speeds. Oh yeah, alloy steel, octagonal blade, smooth, straight, and curved cutting. Sharp, wear-resistant, long lifespan. So it's got an almost 4-inch diameter blade. Self-sharpening blade and oiling device. Okay, that's where we put our oil. Let's see, blade stay sharp for a long time. Smooth use. Multiple thoughtful designs. So it's got an adjustable safety guard, LED work light, and a weighted base and 3 wheels. Multiple cutting applications. Suitable for a wide range of product needs. So you got fabrics, plastic sheets, leather, carpet, blankets, and cardboard. So there's all the specifics. But here it's showing fabrics. And this is what came right off of their website. $138, $138.99. But you can get it for $114.99 after registering. And this is the link. This is the link I'm going to put down in the description below. And you also get a discount code. So you get a discount code for all VEVOR product. So I'm going to show you what's in the box. So first thing that I can see as soon as I pull off this top piece of styrofoam here is it got a couple nice battery packs here. Light-ion. Let's see what this looks like. Let's open it up. There we go. Got a better view right there. It says Light-ion BL1550. Not sure what that means, but it is 14.8 volt, 2.5 amp hour battery. Okay, we got 2 of those. Something else in here. Oh, look at that. It's got machine oil. Nice. And for the reveal, this is what it is right here. Look at that. All right. That's a nice looking unit. I don't think I put my fingers anywhere near that blade though. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. I think you're going to have to really be careful with that one. Oh, okay. What else we got in here? Okay, it looks like the charger for the batteries right here. And looks like it probably, where's it going? Okay. Looks like it plugs in right there. Next. Oh, okay. So it's got a replacement. Okay, it's got a sharpener on here to sharpen the blade. Looks like you probably push this right here against the blade and that'll sharpen the blade. That's pretty awesome because you don't have to remove it, I guess. So got some tools in here and an extra little grinding wheel and an Allen wrench. What else is in here? Okay, so it looks like we've got some instructions right there. This is sandpaper. Okay, not sure what that's for, but we got another replacement blade here. No, it's an empty box. Okay, so let's go ahead and move that stuff aside. So looking it over, not exactly sure where you'd put the oil. It's electric. So I don't know if there's like gears or something that you're supposed to oil. Maybe these little wheels right here. It does have wheels. Look at that. It has wheels. Oh, that's nice. It glides. Okay, I'm not sure about turning, but maybe on the table like that, huh? Okay, maybe turn it. Okay, so it's got little wheels. That's pretty cool. Put this stuff here aside. Okay, let's go ahead and take our battery pack. Put that in. Okay. So here's the switch on top. Control, it says control. So, okay. Oh, okay. That's on off right there. On off. Okay, the control switch. Got a little headlight. Got a headlight. Okay. Let's see what happens here. I'm not sure. Okay, trying to turn it on. Oh, there we go. That sounds kind of musical. There must be first speed, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5 speed. Okay, turn it off. Okay, got that much going. Let's check out the grinding wheel. Turn it on. I think. How do you turn it on? Okay, you just tap the button. Okay, turn it off. Let's see. Tap the button. Okay, I was holding it down. My bad. Okay, so we got a little grinding wheel right here. Let's see what happens with the grinding wheel. Yeah. I can see where that would sharpen it up. Oh, flip it off. Okay, I got to get used to that. Now, let's go ahead and see what if it's going to do the job it was made to do. Okay, let's take this. I'm getting better at that. Let's see what happens here. Oh, that's nice. That's just like butter. Try it again. Okay, I'm going to have it on the floor, on the table this time, for the wheels. Look at that. That's like spaghetti. That thing is really sharp. Now let's go ahead and cut some strips here. So in the picture here, it shows about what I can count is 8 layers of vinyl. So let's see how this thing works against 8 layers of vinyl. See if it will do what it's matching in the picture. That's the first speed. Oh, it's definitely cutting. Okay, just gotta feed it through right. Wow, it's true. Now this is what I was really curious about. is, let's see how it does with curves. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay. Okay, that worked out pretty good. Now let's see how well it'll cut on a line. So I'm going to try to follow this line here. Whoa. I promise I haven't had anything to drink. Well, you can kind of see right here, this is the result of my attempt to cut on the line. So what I think that this is a great tool. I mean, this is really awesome when it comes to cutting straight lines. I mean, you can't beat that. So if you have straight lines to cut, I would say that is going to be a perfect for that. However, it's going to take a little bit more practice maybe to cut something that's other than straight. But you know what? I've never seen anything like this in my life. And I'm really surprised. I think I really like. I think I'm going to really enjoy this. Is what I think. I'm just going to have to figure out the perfect way to use it for what I'm doing. So for cutting patterns, as long as it's not a crazy turn like this, if it's just going to be like, say, a soft turn, like that. Let's try that. Let's try the soft turn. What if we try 15? Speed it up. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Let's try 1. I think I need some more practice. But it's doing its job. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So 1 out of 5 stars? I think I'd give it a 5-star review on this thing here, because you know what? It does exactly what they said it was going to do. As far as going around curves and stuff, I think I'm probably going to need more practice at that. This is really the first time I've ever used one. So maybe it just gets better and better. 5 stars. Well, thanks, Vivor. And until next time, we'll see ya.